Hello, good people of the internet. My name is Shelly, and I just got done renovating my 2001 22-foot travel trailer. I made it look really beautiful on the inside, and I painted the outside, but there was one thing that I didn't do yet, which is fix one little last remaining piece of water damage on the front here. I don't know what's going on in there, but I guess we're going to find out together. And I've heard a lot of bad things about how unpleasant it is to fix water damage, so not only do I plan to fix the water damage, my other goal is to keep my spirits up. So come along with me as I fix my water damaged camper. This is what the camper looks like parked in front of my house. Isn't she beautiful? See this? Yeah, I don't know if the caulk was holding it down before or what, but this is the way things are currently looking. This has totally come off of the side. So it really just needs to be removed completely so I can see what's going on underneath, because I have a bad feeling about what the wood might look like under there. As usual, the hardest thing about renovating this camper has been this terrible, sloppy caulking job that I have to scrape off painstakingly. I removed this trim on this bottom part here, and you can totally tell that this has been done before. There's so many different kinds of screws in here. Oh my, hopefully mine will be the last time. We shall see. Okay, so this actually could be worse. I'm not too upset about it. I think it's kind of nice that the middle part is not destroyed. This wood in the middle will act as a model for the repaired wood that I'm going to be putting together. This side is all actually pretty good, even when you pull the stuffing, the insulation away, the stuffing. You can see that this is a little bit wiggly, but not too bad, and the wood is still decent. Although it's not in place very well, so I'll have to figure that out. Down here is not super great. This definitely needs to be spliced. I think this is a 2x2, so I'll get another 2x2 and fill in this spot right here, because it looks like this one is all rotted away. It comes right out. Gross. This is just destroyed, so I'll need to replace that. The walls back here are not super great either. And this whole corner is just tragically bad. All has to go. Now I'm going to measure and cut the replacement wood. And now to repeat with all the other pieces of wood. Okay, the framing part is done. And this side has square screws, which probably means they're original. Ooh. Now to scrape off some of this aggressive caulking. Today's a new day and I'm going to make a little mold out of some extra exterior plastic that I have and try and cut it to size so that it fits around this window right here. This is definitely too awkward to do by myself, so I'm gonna wait for some help. It's several days later, and after we had a little mishap with some rain getting in, I'm going to now seal it up with a piece of plastic that is cut to size and ready to go. I'm going to use a staple gun. So I had gotten this for the corners, but it does not stick, it does not work at all, not recommended. So I got what the internet told me to get, which is butyl tape. So now we're gonna put that on. Looks like this, it's like a roll of putty. See how it squishes? Now that all those are in, I'm going to work on the new seals. So I have to figure out how to shove this in here, like that, on both sides. Alright, so I got it screwed in, and the best tool so far has been my fingers. Bend it and tuck it in. That's pretty decent. Okay, the next step is doing some caulking. First you need caulk, and you need soapy water and rags. Well, does it look good? No. Is it watertight? Probably. Okay, for the last few days I've been working on finishing up the caulking. I did several layers of caulk, and just in time because it is pouring rain right now, so I'm going to make this quick. I also wanted to give a quick disclaimer. I have never done anything quite like this before. I've never repaired water damage in a camper before, so I can't vouch for how long this will last. I think it's pretty sturdy, but only time will tell. So I just made this video because I wanted people who are trying to do water damage repair on a camper to see how I did it, not necessarily because it's the right way, but this is how I did it, and I'll report back on how well it goes. But anyway, here's how it turned out. Thank you so much for watching.